Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WFT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. All I do this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question, quite straightforward, and that question revolves around the fact that today the price went through a very, very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was not that long ago, down around this area of the chart, and all of a sudden you look at where it is at the close of the day, and I guess since today's Friday, the close of the week, any rational person would say, yeah, that price has definitely made a very nice move, but that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward, and it all revolves around a single level, and that's where the update comes into play. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 38 cents is going to be that very important level. And why is that important? Well, it's going to help us answer the question, because assuming we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward, then that's why that level becomes very, very important. Because if the price were to come down to that area and then break below it and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And again, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or anything like that. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but if it were to go down there, however, in this situation, behave like that before starting to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right here. You'd have, that general area of lows down there. But the point being is, as far as where the lows would be, these lows would be getting higher and higher. And if you picture those as stair steps, that's definitely the name of the game. That's what you want to see, stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. As far as resistance levels are concerned in the very near term, it's all about that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. You can see right there, essentially got rejected by it right there, doing battle with it right now. So we'll see if the price can separate to the upside. But in my opinion, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about going through healthy consolidations and starting to chip away and build some higher bases. And that first, like I said, higher base starts at 38. So let's see if the price can stay above 38 cents or not next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.